Yes, good morning friends. Today we will discuss about dunning. It is very useful in the AR process and OTC process. Actually, dunning, it is nothing but dunning means it is a reminder notice which is issued to customer from accounting department for the outstanding due balances, outstanding or due balances. And this is a process which is used in the SAP to manage accounts receivable by systematically reminding the customers about overdue payments. And the dunning concept in SAP is a process used to manage accounts receivable by systematically reminding customers about overdue payments. Here is about dunning we will discuss about briefly. Dunning concept in SAP. The purpose of dunning is to ensure timely collection of outstanding invoices by sending dunning notices to customers. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, customers. And the process of dunning. The system generates dunning letters based on predefined intervals and levels. These letters remind the customers of their overdue payments and can escalate if payments are not made too. And this configuration includes it involves setting of dunning procedures, dunning levels, and assigning these dunning procedures to the customer accounts like that. And we will discuss about the main benefits of dunning in SAP. Reducing the day sales outstanding. So it facilitates and accelerates the collection and improves the cash flow. Next, optimizing cash flow. It ensures a faster customer payments. Third one, determining late payments. Encourages timely payments and improves order to cash cycle efficiently. And automatic collections. It automates a critical credit and collection activities, reducing the manual effort. And next, maintaining customer relationships. This dunning helps to manage overdue balances while maintaining a good customer relationships. And the invoices or documents covered in dunning. Those are accounts receivable invoices, standard, like customer invoices. Accounts receivable invoices, partially paid. And invoices, which includes installments, EMI basis also covered in this. And AR credit memos. Credit memos also will cover. And incoming payments, which are not based on invoices, like vouchers. And we can block dunning, from dunning some of our customers. Why it is? Some of the customers, very good customers, and their relationship with our company is a long back, and their attitude also very good. Like that will be there in and some other condition. And the customers are some of the customers are our family, friends, relatives, neighbors, and founders of the company. Like that, some people will be there. So we can exclude those person from dunning. That option provided by SAP through dunning block. Okay, you can set a dunning block to prevent an account or item from being dunning area. And blocked accounts or items are not included in the dunning run and are printed in exception list with the reason for block. Okay. Next, dunning configuration steps. First one, create dunning keys. Second, define dunning area. Third one is define dunning procedures. Fourth one is create dunning interval in days to dunning procedures. Define dunning charges to dunning procedures. Define minimum amounts to dunning procedures. Next one is assign dunning tests and forms to dunning procedures. And next one is define dunning level to dunning procedure. And next one is assign special indicator to dunning procedures. And last but not least is assign dunning procedure to customer. So we will discuss one by one. Yeah. One second, please. Yeah. This is the first one. Create dunning keys. We define dunning keys in this step. Dunning keys are limits the dunning level of an item. For this, we have to go to the path IMG, Financial Accounting New, Accounts Receivable and Payable, Business Transactions, Dunning, Basic Settings for Dunning, define dunning keys. Here, the screen will be like this. We have to click on the dunning keys IMG button. Next, we have to click on the new entries and we can define our own dunning procedure, dunning key like this. Maximum dunning levels 4. Like this, we can create it. And next step is define dunning area. For this, we have to go to the path IMG, Financial Accounting New, Accounts Receivable and Payable, Business Transactions, Dunning, Basic Setting for Dunning, and define dunning area, or through the T code of OB61. So screen will be like this. And we have to click on the define dunning areas IMG button. We will get this screen. Yeah. Hello?
Your document, you open the ECC screen.
ECC?
మీరు ECC స్క్రీన్ లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నారా? మీ స్క్రీన్ ఒక డాక్యుమెంట్ కనపడుతుంది.
డాక్యుమెంట్ ఏనండి. డాక్యుమెంట్ లో వర్డ్ PDF డాక్యుమెంట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. హలో?
ఓకే అండి.
PDF document visible ena?
Visible.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. We have to click on the new entries. We have to give our own dunning area like this and save. Like this, we can create our company code, dunning test. And third one is define dunning procedures. To create dunning test, dunning level, dunning charges, and then assign to the company code in the dunning procedure. We can do through the T code of FBMP as well as path IMG, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable and Accounts Payable, Business Transactions, Dunning Procedures, define dunning procedure. We will get the screen like this. We have to click on the define dunning area procedures IMD button. Next, we will get like this. We have to click on the new procedures button. And like this, we can give 4-level dunning every 2 weeks, 4-level dunning every month. Like this, we can create our own. And then press save. And fourth step is create dunning interval days to dunning procedures. We determine at which interval the allocated accounts are to be done for every dunning procedures. Dunning every dunning run, the system then checks whether the run date is at least the number of days, that is like 14 days, since the date of last dunning. So minimum 14 days gap will be there. And we have to maintain like that. And for this, we have to go to the path IMG, Financial Accounting New, Accounts Receivable and Payable, Business Transactions, Dunning Procedures, Define Dunning Procedures. Or we can use T code of FBMP. So then we will get this screen. Dunning procedure. We have to give our dunning procedure by one, and we can name that one. And dunning interval days, we can give our own dunning interval days like this 10, and dunning levels 4. And here we have to give line item grace periods 3 days, 5 days, like that we can give here. And we have to select standard transaction dunning checkbox and save. And next step is define dunning charges to dunning procedures. In the same screen, it will be available. Here we add the dunning charges as per the dunning level. This is nothing but like a administration charge to dun the customer. And currency INR will be assigned to the during adding the dunning charge. And the path is IMG, Financial Accounting New, Accounts Receivable and Payable, Business Transaction, Dunning Procedures, Define Dunning Procedures. In the Dunning Procedures screen, click on the charges. Here it will be highlighted. Click on the charges button, and that will prompt that ask currency. So we have to give our currency like INR, USD, like that. And later to that, we will get this screen. Here we can mention dunning charges. That is our own decision, like the below 100, 200, 300, 400. For first dunning level, 100 rupees charge. First, second level, 200, third level, 300, fourth level, 400. That is our own. We can set our own charges. And next, click on the dunning test. That will prompt to ask, and it will ask the company code, and we have to give the company code here. Here the screen will be like this. New company code. Give the company code, our company code. Here if you see, our company code is LENV. Here LENV. We have to select tick mark like this. Separate notice for dunning level. So if we select like this, for every dunning level, separate notice will be generated. And define maximum amounts to dunning procedures. Minimum amounts. Minimum amounts are customized to charge the dunning charges to the customer with reference to the dunning level. So, and path is IMG, Financial Accounting New, Accounts Receivable and Payable, Business Transaction, Dunning Procedure, and Define Dunning Procedures are in the same screen of FBMP. So in this, choose Dunning Procedure and click on the Choose button. And choose the minimum amounts button. Then the screen will be like this. So we can give like this minimum amounts for dunning. For dunning level 150, 11 to 75, 11 300, level for 125. We can give whatever amount we want. Next, assign dunning tests and forms to dunning procedures. To specify dunning forms, click on the dunning test and assign the required forms for the dunning test with reference to the dunning level. And the path for that, IMG, Financial Accounting New, Accounts Receivable and Payable, Business Transaction, Dunning Procedure, Define Dunning Procedure. So the screen like this, dunning procedure. We have to give our dunning procedure and dunning name will come automatically. Company code and account type, that is D, customer. So we have to assign the form type, these form types, F150 underscore BE underscore done underscore 01 and 02 like that and 02 like that. We have to give, we have to assign these dunning forms. Otherwise, dunning letter won't be generated. Define dunning level to dunning procedure.
Hello?
Click, yes.
Hello?
Yes, audible.
రామారావు గారు కొద్దిగా వాయిస్ స్లోగా ఉంది, కొద్దిగా లౌడ్ చేయరా?
స్లోగా ఉందా? ఓకే ఓకే. Is it fine now? Hello?
Hello?
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Define dunning level to dunning procedures. Click the dunning levels and input days in areas for each dunning level. Select always done button in legal dunning procedure and not missing any dunning notices. For this, we have to go to the path of IMG, Financial Accounting, Financial Accounts Receivable and Payable, and Business Transactions, Dunning Procedures, Define Dunning Procedures. Choose the dunning procedure and click the button on dunning levels. So the screen will come like this. Dunning levels, we have selected 4 dunning levels. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and days in areas 3, 13, 23, 33. So we have to maintain 10 days gap. Already we have mentioned in the previous configuration 10 days interval gap for every dunning level. Okay. And we have to select the checkbox. If you want to calculate interest, select the checkbox here. Calculate interest. From which level? From first level, from level dunning level 1 onwards, need to calculate the interest. So we have to select like this. And always done parameter we have to select, and print all items we have to select. And as well as under the legal dunning procedures, select always done in legal dunning procedures, and like that. After that, we have to save that one. Next, assign special indicator to dunning procedures. In this step, we have to assign special indicator reserved for bad debts to dunning procedures. For this, the path is IMG, Financial Accounting New, Accounts Receivable and Payable, Business Transactions, Dunning Procedure, Define Dunning Procedures. We have to click on the special GL indicators. If you see here, the screen will become like this. We have to select the option of special indicator, and then we will get screen like this. So under this, we have to select A for down payment and F down payment request. We have to select A and F. That is for both customers as well as vendors also. For vendors also, we have to select A and F. Then click on save. And assign dunning procedure to customers. Now the action is to assign the dunning procedure to the respective customers. This is a mandatory step to be performed for maintaining dunning. So for that, we have to go to the screen of XD02 or FD02, that is customer master data. Then we have to click on the company code data. Here under the tab, these options will come. Here we have dunning procedure option is there now. Yes, here we have to give our dunning procedure. under the correspondence tab. So after that, we can check whether all configurations done correctly or not by posting one invoice. Through the FB70, we can do like that. So as usual, we create a one invoice like this, customer invoice date like that, text dunning test CR invoice. Here, if you check while testing, we have to give due immediately. Under the customer master, we have to select payment terms, due immediately payment term, that is 0001. Then only it will generate the dunning letter for testing purpose. In real time, that is our own opinion. We can give 15 days or 20 days like that. And then run the dunning. To run the dunning, we have to go to the F150. Here we can run the dunning to generate notices. Generally, it's a end user activity. And for that path is SAP Easy Access and accounting, accounts receivable, periodic processing, dunning. So screen will be like this. We have to click on this button, F150 dunning button. Like this, screen will become. Here we have to give dunning date, run date, identification, as well as parameters. We have to give dunning date and documents up to, and company code, and from customer to customer, means from which customer to which customer dunning need to be applied. Sometimes we can create dunning letter even one customer also, like this we can mention that. Next, click on the schedule button and it will prompt for output devices. We have to give like this LP01 and click on the continue button. And next it will come. We have to give like this start date, start time, and next click on the start immediately button and give the output device LP01 and click on the schedule button. After that, from the above menu options, click on the sample printout button and give the LP01 as and continue. After that, process will come in the will be done in the back end. Later do that, give 1 minute gap and click on the dunning history. If you will get like this, parameters maintained, dunning schedule, like this 2 dunning notices were generated, of which 2 were to be sent. If you got like this, that will be fine. You have done all the configuration like this, we can get clearly like this, then everything will be perfect. Otherwise, we have to check if any configurations were missed. Even the live environment also come like this only. And here, if you click like this, company code and select IMG button, dunning notices will be displayed like here. Display dunning notice. If you click here, all the dunning notices will be come like this. If you see here, like this will come. If you click on the one of the letter and click on the print preview button to view how the dunning letter was generated. If you click like this and give the output device LP01, one second, please. Yes. Like this will come dunning letter. First dunning letter, like everything will become like this. And second dunning letter will become like this. That is about dunning. And one more step is define block reason for dunning notices. In this step, to define the reasons for dunning block under a key, and the key can be entered in an item or in the account of customer master. That is, blocked items or accounts are not considered to be dunning. If you select block reason, dunning letter will not be generated for those customers. For this, the part is IMG, Financial Accounting New, Accounts Receivable, Business Transaction, dunning, basic setting for dunning, define dunning block reason. So we have to give the reason under this part. Thank you. That's all about the dunning. Thank you, friends. Thank you.